Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we'll explore the refreshing world of DIY cooling facial teas and compresses. Whether you're dealing with inflamed skin, feeling overheated, or just need a moment of calm, we'll guide you through using herbs to soothe, cool, and restore. So get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's talk about why you might want to use cooling teas and compresses on your face. First off, they're fantastic for hydrating and calming your skin. If you find your skin often feels overheated or flushed, these simple remedies can make a world of difference. Think about those hot summer days when the sun has been a little too intense, or after you've spent some time under UV rays. Cooling teas can aid in healing and ease the discomfort of sun exposure or even sunburn. Another great benefit is their ability to reduce redness and inflammation, making them perfect for those with sensitive skin or skin conditions like rosacea. If you struggle with puffy eyes or a tired complexion, a cool compress can be incredibly soothing. It's like giving your face a gentle hug, reducing that puffiness and helping you look more refreshed. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Taking the time to prepare and apply a cooling tea compress can also be a moment of emotional relief and rest. It allows you to slow down, take a breather, and indulge in a little self-care. So next time you're looking to give your face and your mind a break, consider reaching for some cooling teas. Now let's chat about some amazing herbs that are perfect for creating cooling and soothing teas and compresses. First on our list is peppermint. Known for its invigorating and cooling properties, peppermint can leave your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. Its natural menthol content provides that cool sensation and helps to calm heated skin. Next, we have chamomile. This humble herb is a powerhouse for calming and soothing the skin. Its anti-inflammatory effects are excellent for reducing redness and irritation, making it a staple in any soothing skincare regimen. Don't forget about calendula, with its fantastic healing properties. Calendula is great at reducing redness and aiding in the recovery of your skin, making it perfect for those times when your skin needs a little extra TLC. And then there's lavender, a fragrant favorite. Lavender's balancing effects extend both to your skin and your spirit, making it ideal for a relaxing skin treatment that also helps to ease your mind. We also have rose petals on our list. Renowned for their hydrating and toning effects, rose petals can leave your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. They also add a touch of luxury to your tea compresses. Another ultra-cooling option is cucumber. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and can provide instant relief to overheated skin. Its high water content and natural soothing properties make it a great addition to any cooling blend. And finally, let's not forget green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea is wonderful for toning your skin and providing a refreshing boost. The antioxidants help to protect and rejuvenate your skin, making it a fantastic multitasker in your skincare arsenal. Using these herbs together can create a wonderful synergy. You can blend different herbs to maximize their cooling and soothing effects. For example, a combination of peppermint and chamomile can offer both a cooling sensation and reduce redness effectively. Experimenting with different blends might lead you to find your perfect mix. Now let's get into the steps of making a cooling facial tea, also known as an herbal splash or steam. Start by choosing your favorite cooling herbs. This could be a lovely blend of chamomile, peppermint, and rose petals, which is one of my personal favorites. You'll want roughly a tablespoon of each herb for a nice, potent brew. Next, bring about a cup of water to a boil. Once boiling, add your herbs to the water, giving them a good stir to ensure they're all submerged. Then, remove the pot from heat and cover it. Let the herbs steep for at least 10-15 minutes. This steeping process allows all those wonderful, soothing properties to infuse into the water. After steeping, let the tea cool down to room temperature. You can strain out the herbs using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. This strained tea can be used in several ways. You can splash it directly onto your face, soak a cotton pad, and dab it gently on your skin, or even transfer it into a spray bottle for a refreshing facial mist. For an added cooling effect, refrigerate the tea before use. Now, if you prefer a slightly different approach, you can make an herbal compress. Soak a clean cloth in your cooled herbal tea. Wring out the excess liquid and then place the cloth over your face, letting it sit for about 10-15 minutes. This method is fantastic for delivering concentrated relief to particularly irritated or heated areas of your skin. Refrigerating your tea compress can provide extra cooling relief, which can be especially beneficial on hot days or after sun exposure. Remember, taking the time to care for your skin is also a wonderful way to care for your overall well-being. Enjoy the process and take note of how your skin responds to different herbs and methods. You might find yourself looking forward to this little ritual as a calming and refreshing part of your skincare routine. Now that we've covered the basics of creating your own cooling facial tea, let's discuss a simple ritual you can try on a relaxing summer evening. Picture this. The sun is setting, the air is warm, and you have a bit of time to indulge in some self-care. What better way to wind down than with a calming facial ritual? Here's a step-by-step guide for a perfect summer evening experience. First, start by cleansing your face thoroughly. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup from your skin. This step is crucial to ensure that the benefits of the herbal treatments can penetrate your skin effectively. After cleansing, it's time to mist your skin with rose water or an herbal splash. Using the cooling tea we discussed earlier, pour it into a spray bottle. Mist your face lightly, letting the herbal goodness settle in. Next, prepare a cool herbal compress. Soak a clean cloth in your cooled herbal tea and wring out any excess liquid. Lay the cloth gently over your face, taking deep breaths as you do so. Let the compress sit on your skin for about 10-15 minutes. This moment of stillness can be incredibly soothing. To enhance the experience, incorporate some deep breathing and affirmations. As you relax with the compress on your face, take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This breathing technique helps to calm your mind and body. While you're at it, you can also repeat a calming affirmation. Say to yourself, I am calm, I am cared for, I am rooted in peace. Positive affirmations can work wonders for your emotional well-being during this meditative ritual. This simple 5-step ritual can become a cherished part of your summer skincare routine. It's a beautiful way to pamper yourself and connect with nature's healing power through herbs and mindfulness. Enjoy the tranquility and remember you deserve these moments of self-care. So there you have it. Cooling facial teas and compresses are not only wonderfully simple to make, but they also offer incredible benefits for your skin and well-being. I encourage you all to give them a try and maybe even create your own personal rituals with your favorite herbs. And if you do, I'd love to hear about your experiences and the combinations you enjoy the most. Remember, self-care is all about finding what works best for you and making it a regular part of your routine. Before we go, I want to mention our newsletter, Flowers, Plants, Oils, and Whimsy, where you can find even more tips and insights on using plants and herbs in your everyday life. And don't forget to check out the e-zine Moments of Light for additional inspiration and self-care ideas. As always, check the show notes for any links or articles we've mentioned today. Until next time, stay cool and stay radiant.